So we were planting a wind barrier and native habitat. It was part of a grant through OWEB, which is Oregon Water Enhancement Board, and our local Jefferson County Soil and Water Conservation District. Today it worked out to have 40 young people show up. We had 600 plants to plant, and we got 500 of them done in about 3.5 hours. We're planting all perennials today. We have some trees in there, various different kind of willows, sumac, serviceberry, wild roses. We did throw in a mixture of long-term, like the Garry Oaks, that's a 50-year to maturity. The maples are going to be in that same ballpark. Very diverse mix of plants to mimic what nature would already be doing. With us being an organic regenerative farm, it's important to recognize your perennial species that are around. You know, there's a lot of insects that pollinate crops around here locally, stuff that we rely on, stuff that our neighbors rely on. As a farmer, I'm very dependent on the land that we're farming. So to create a healthier ecosystem, not just within the underground soil, but above ground, just giving bona fide space for things that are not necessarily like productive in a monetary sense, but it is because it's generally helping your entire farm. So there's just the benefit for the native animals and just plant diversity that'll come about of having these plants on our farm. We're utilizing ground where the water's already flowing, but also just stuff that'd be really hard to farm per se, but can still be such a key aspect of your farm and your biodiversity, and utilizing grounds that just aren't doing anything, you know, and would just normally be looked over or aside, and actually taking the time to make them productive for something. It's a win-win for everyone, but yeah, it'll be Heston's, you know, he'll be the one enjoying the shade of the trees, and his kids from beyond there, so. Party on? All right.